Hi there. So here we'll see how to log into a BAP Swaminarayan Research Institute by using web application. So if you can notice here, the URL is very simple: educloud.in/BAPS BAPS Research Institutes. When you hit this URL, you will get this login page where you will see the icon and the background. Here we have a two option to log in. One is sign in with Google, and second one is by using email ID and the password. Okay, well, so the most recommended way to use to log in is by using sign in with Google. So all the Gmail user and the G Suite user um, should use sign in with Google option. However, the users who are using Yahoo, Hotmail, Outlook, and other non-Gmail ID should use email ID and password option to log in. So now the question is, what is a password? Obviously, the email ID is the one which you have registered with your school, but the password, how to get the password? So to get the password, just click on forget password, and you need to type your school code or school name, let's say BAPS Research Institute New Delhi, and just type your email ID and click on send recent link, and system will send a password reset link to your email ID. Well, and you can just reset the password and log in with the same email ID and password. Well, here we'll try the sign in with Google option. So just click there, sign in with Google, and that will be redirect me to a Google sign in page where I need to select my Gmail ID, user ID, and password, and I will able to log in to the institute. So the moment I will log into the institute. This is a dashboard, and here still we are waiting to get the scores and the details. But another very important aspect is how to make a fee payment. So to the fee payment, in the top menu, there is something called fee counter. Just click there and click on student fee payment option, where you will get into the fee records. So these are the dummy records assigned to this my dummy account. You will see the actual records and actual amount which you need to pay. Well, so let's say this is the fee record I need to pay. So what I do, I just clicked on add button, and here uh, it will edit into the payment summary, and finally I just clicked here and proceed to payment. Well, so when I clicked on proceed to pay, I need to uh, you know decide my payment option. It will be redirect me to the Paytm. So basically the net banking and debit card and UPI is a very cheaper options. You can check out the transaction charges and all those things here, and over and above this amount, you need to pay for the transaction charges. You can check out the transaction charges at the Paytm page as well. So here is the page. Here you can see all the details, and you can see the transaction charges for this amount, and you can select your right option. So here I have the options like debit card, credit card, UPI, net banking. In net banking, almost all the banks are listed there, and UPI, credit card, debit card for the international students who are paying with international debit card and credit card. There would be different charges, and that would be listed here when you choose your card. Okay, and for the Indian students, the UPI is almost, I think, free of cost. You should use that. Rupee card, Rupee debit card is free. You should use that, and the net banking, which has a very flat rate. So you just any good your payment option, you can check out all the details here, and once you're done with the payment, you would be redirected to, let me just go back here. I'm just considering the transactions, and you will be redirected to the page. So sometime maybe because of cookie or something, in case if you are not able to able to go back to the home page or something, you can always you can just always log in back to your uh, you log in back to your account, and again you can sign in with Google, and you can go to your fee dashboard account. Sorry, you can go to your the fee counter page, and at fee dashboard you can check out your fee details. So I'm just going to my fee counter and I can check out my fee record details. I can go to my paid transactions or my failed transaction in case transaction get failed. You will see the failure history here. In case if it is paid, you will see in a paid transaction list and you can download the fee receipt. Just click there and you will get the fee receipt here. Okay, and in the fee records, sometime it might possible that transaction is in a progress, so system do not get the exit information whether it's a success or fail. So you might get this type of button, check your payment status. If you click there, you will get this type of message that whether it's a fail or success, or it may be as per bank record your fee record is in a transaction in progress. You have to wait until next update. It means it takes some time, maybe few hours, and it will be update your status. Otherwise, you can contact uh, your admin, who can help you there for the transaction which is not completely cleared out, the which status is not completely get from your bank and the payment gateway. Well, so this is all about how to logged in and how to make fee payment after logged in. So, well, thanks for your time and have a wonderful day. In case if you have another query and questions, feel free to reach out to your admin and your institute support team. Thank you. Bye.